Ready?
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh.
Why are you hanging out under the table?
What are you doing? You stirring? You cooking like the ladies in the kitchen? That's because she was there in the kitchen.
Hey.
Get ready now.
I'm just filming it.
Oh.
Ooh, Grandpa's so fun!
I see you! Come here!
Where's my baby?
Whoa! Come here!
She's having fun in her little hut.
The back door does have a tie.
Yeah, the back door does. That is so the front door. But it,
Come here! Come here!
we got more presents to open.
More presents! More presents! You'll get to come back. Okay, she doesn't want to do presents.
All right, here's John eating an olive, a green olive, as his Christmas present to me.
He's never done it this
No,
time.
he's never had a green olive.
It's good. I've already had like 6 of them.
I know, I've been munching on them too. Just do it, Annie.
Good. Believe me, we would not lie to you.
Marin's really picky, so she likes olives. He is such a dramatic. Look at this drama king.
That is far and away one of the nastiest things I've ever put in my mouth.
Not.
No problem. Yeah, the horses finally came.
Yay!
For all the nieces and nephews.
Yay! Say yeehaw!
Imagination.
Ryan, watch out.
Really, they are.
Okay.
You want to ride again? Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, that is good. Yeah, when you, I don't know all the ramifications with Excellent, said Nathan.
Hi, baby. Are you enjoying your bath? You're having a bath in the big tub, huh? All right, time to get out.
Ready to come out? Come on, let's come out.